Morning guys, welcome to day 4 of Ramadan and the 4th vlog. Isa is very grumpy this morning. We've literally just come downstairs and it's 8:30 and we are about to make some breakfast.
No, we're about to comb our hair first.
Elisa's combing her hair.
Yeah, we had to comb our hair in the morning, but we didn't do it for a long time.
I woke up a little bit late for suhur last night. I had like 10 minutes to eat, so I literally had 2 dates, some almonds and 2 glasses of water. Yeah, also a little bit of that in the dates. But anyway, I'm just about to have breakfast and then we're going to do Elisa's nursery lesson. So what do you say, baby? Anyway, so Elisa is going to have, what do you want for breakfast? What do you want for breakfast? Cereal? Nothing? You want nothing? She's not having any breakfast then. Isa is gonna have, what are you gonna have? Toast? Elisa's gonna have cereal and Isa's gonna have toast. We are just doing Elisa's nursery tasks, which are set. Oh, thank you. She has to find 15 numbers from around the room. Isa's just chilling on the iPad on the floor. I've just hidden them, like, show you. Got one. Oh, thank you very much. Just like that. There's one here. Found another one. Good job. Another one. Good job. Well done. Wow, you got another one.
Number 3.
Number 3, yeah. Thank you.
Number 3.
Once she finds all of the numbers, that is when we're going to put them, well, she's going to put them in order to see if she can put them in order.
2. Number 3.
You tell me. Yeah, good job.
Number 4. Oh. 4.
It's a little bit later. Honestly, I've been feeling so dead today. I just want to lie down. I just did suhur and put... You come here and open them. I just did suhur and put these kids' toys in here. I'm trying to upload a video, but it's taking ages to process. I don't know what's going on. Day? What day is it? What day is it?
Ramadan.
No, but what day?
4.
4. Good job. Elisa's got this little squishy pulley thing. It's got like flour or sand in it, so this is going to make a really nice mess when she breaks it. Here you go, darling.
Ooh, I like
Isa's one. Are you going to take Isa's down for him? Isa's got a little car rubber that comes apart.
That's everything but that car.
So I'm trying to upload my vlog for today, but it's not uploading. I don't know why. So we're going to go downstairs now. Me and Elisa are going to go. And what are we going to make?
Chocolate brownies.
Chocolate
Everybody
brownies.
loves them. And I love them too. And look, I got a little farty toy.
It makes farty noises.
Yeah, do you see that?
Do it again.
And look. Making 1, 2, 3, like, oh, my little buff and the... Can I mix it?
Yeah.
I want the chocolate. Yeah. Come on, come on.
So this is what the brownies look like. They look amazing. Like, you can see the chocolate inside them. And these are the nutty ones. Oh my god, I cannot wait to have one of these. I'm gonna have this piece right here, or this piece, I don't know, depends. And then these are for the kids. And then I've also put a bag for each of my family members so that they've got one each as well, because I only made one, so there's only enough for one piece each. So I'm making myself my suhur, which is going to be dates. It's going to be like overnight oats, and I've put dates, walnuts, and I'm going to put some desiccated coconut and cinnamon, and then I'm just going to put some milk and yogurt in there and some honey, so that it all kind of softens up until I'm ready to eat it in the morning. But that's what I'm doing. So I've got like 2 dates, I've got a few nuts, don't know how many nuts, but that's how many. 50 grams of oats, and then I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, and then I'm going to put a little bit of milk, and then it will all get nice and soft. So let's do that. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to just make sure all of the oats are inside from the edges, and then I'm going to cover it in cling film and put it in the fridge ready for sehri time. Cannot wait to eat it. Just got back from dropping all the brownies off, and I feel so emotional right now because obviously got to see them, but I didn't get to hug them or just spend time with them, do you know what I mean? Should we go upstairs? This one did not fall asleep, so we're gonna go upstairs and do bedtime. Issa fell asleep quite quickly, so that was good. Yeah, everyone's got their brownies. I can't wait to eat mine. I made brownies because I know that I've got a craving for something really sweet, and I was gonna order something last night, and then I was like so tempted to just order something tonight, but I was like, you know what, let me just make something, because at least we'll enjoy doing it as well. So we made brownies, so I can't wait to eat it. I cannot wait to eat. There's an hour left until we need to open our fast. So tonight's iftar is the same as yesterday. I have the biryani that I made and some kebabs that my sister gave, and then I have this, which is like a yogurt kind of sauce to go with the biryani, and then I have my salad to go on the side. And I've also made myself a date, walnut and banana milkshake, which looks delicious. Oh, chunky bit there, chunky bits. Yum. Can't wait to drink that. This milkshake is delicious. Oh my gosh guys, that brownie was so good. I warmed it up and had it with some ice cream, and it was so delicious. The reason I'm sitting in the kitchen is because I just cleaned it. But yeah, I'm just gonna end the vlog now because I'm just gonna chill for a bit, and then I'm gonna read Tarawih and Isha, and then I'm gonna go to bed. I hope all of your fasts are going okay, inshallah, and yes, I will see you in my next video. Bye.